Hello friends, welcome to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC and AGON Pro AG456UCZD Ultrawide OLED gaming monitor. So friend, this is a 44.5-inch ultra-wide OLED gaming monitor, enhancing its product line with advanced features designed for competitive and immersive gaming. And this model, with a 21:9 aspect ratio and resolution of 3440 by 1440 WQHD, provides expansive detailed visuals for an enhanced gaming experience. And the display's 800R curvature is engineered to offer a panoramic view, filling users' peripheral version and immersing them into their gaming environment. And the monitor is equipped with a 240 Hz refresh rate and 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, catering to the needs of high-level gaming, ensuring smooth, blur-free images and immediate response to on-screen action. And the OLED technology of the panel ensure per pixel illumination, delivering vibrant colors and high contrast ratios with 100% sRGB and 98.5% DCI P3 color gamut coverage, making it suitable for both gaming and content creations that demand accurate color reproduction. The design includes a borderless form on four sides to maximize the viewing area, coupled with anti-glare treatment to maintain clarity in various lighting conditions. The peak brightness of up to 1000 nits enhance visibility in dark scenes, while the 10-bit color depth support over 1.07 billion colors for rich and nuanced imagery. For connectivity, it offers comprehensive array of ports, including two DisplayPort, a USB 3.2 hub with 4 ports, USB Type-C port with 90-watt power delivery, and KVM switch, providing flexibility for connectivity, multiple devices, and seamless switching between gaming consoles, PCs, and peripherals. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.